In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Dropbox preferences. For those of you using Dropbox to manage your files and data online, understanding how to adjust your preferences is key to optimizing your experience. Whether you're aiming to tweak your settings for a more personalized use, or simply exploring what Dropbox offers, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in. First, we'll need to navigate to the Dropbox website. Open your preferred internet browser and type in www.dropbox.com in the address bar. Press enter and it will take you directly to Dropbox's homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Remember, Dropbox is a powerful tool for storing, sharing and managing files in the cloud, so knowing how to navigate its website is crucial. Once you're on the Dropbox homepage, you'll notice several options. What we're interested in is accessing your personal or business Dropbox account, and for that you'll need to log in. Look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will bring you to the next step of our journey. Now you'll be presented with different methods to log into your Dropbox account. For quickness and convenience, let's use the Continue with Google option. This is a handy feature if you have your Google account already linked to your Dropbox. It simplifies the login process, bypassing the need to enter your email and password manually. Click on Continue with Google and follow the prompt to choose the Google account you've linked with Dropbox. Following your successful login, you will be redirected to your main Dropbox page. Here you have access to all your stored files and folders. However, our focus is to locate and understand the preferences within your Dropbox account. To move forward, look towards the left side panel. You should see the Files section, which is essentially the heart of your Dropbox, housing all your documents, images and other uploaded content. Click on it to ensure you're starting from the right place. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a visual representation of your account or your profile picture if you've set one. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu that serves as the gateway to various account settings and options. Within this drop-down menu, one of the items listed will be Settings. This is where Dropbox allows you to adjust your account according to your preferences on a deeper level. Settings encompass everything from account information, security parameters, to the specific preferences we're after today. Go ahead and give it a click. This brings us to the core part of our tutorial. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll need to navigate through to find the preferences section. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for a segment labeled specifically as preferences. This is a bit of a treasure hunt, but patience is key. Preferences are usually not right at the top, as they consist of more detailed settings that aren't changed as frequently. Once you locate preferences, congratulations are in order. These settings are where you can fine-tune how Dropbox operates for you. From file syncing options, bandwidth settings, to notifications, preferences let you mold Dropbox to better fit your workflow and personal requirements. This section holds the tools necessary to truly make Dropbox your own, whether you're using it for personal purposes, for school, or within a professional setting. By reaching this point, you've successfully navigated through Dropbox interface to find your preferences. This knowledge not only helps you personalize your Dropbox experience, but also readies you for deeper exploration into what Dropbox can offer. Remember, preferences can significantly affect how you interact with your files and collaborate with others on Dropbox, so I recommend taking the time to explore each setting thoroughly. Adjusting your Dropbox preferences is a straightforward process once you know where to look. Whether it's modifying how files and folders are displayed, changing the language settings, or setting up notifications to stay informed, these preferences empower you to use Dropbox in a way that best suits your needs. And there you have it. You've now learned how to find and adjust your Dropbox preferences. I hope this tutorial makes your Dropbox experience even more effective and personalized. Don't forget to experiment with various settings until you find the perfect setup for your specific needs. Whether you're a long-time user or just getting started, understanding how to manipulate Dropbox preferences is invaluable. Thank you for following along, and here's to a more customized and efficient Dropbox usage.